All right, this is question 17 in the BC Unit 4 packet. First thing they want, well, we're trying to order these from least to greatest, so let's just try to get a picture of what each one is. F prime of 1 is the slope of the tangent line right here at x equals 1. So it's some sort of negative number right there, so certainly less than 0. So the second one is the average value of this function on the interval from 0 to a. So the average value is the average height. You want to pick a height where the overage could fall into the underage. And this height, where this might not be a perfect line, I know that this height is certainly less than 1, but greater than 0. The next one is the average rate of change for f, and the average rate of change is the slope of the secant line connecting the endpoints, and that should be linear. And we know it is a negative slope, less than 0, but it's also bigger than a, because a, look at that steep negative slope, and this green slope is less negative. So certainly a is going to be less than c, which is less than b, because b is somewhere between 0 and 1. So the only remaining question is what happens with d, which is the integral from 0 to a. So let me see if I can color this for you to show you that if I had a square from 1 to 1, the area of this square would be 1. Okay, so let's assume that we want to fill this in from here. So that about fills in, and then this probably gets a little bit negative. But would you agree, I hope, that the area of the square being 1 means that the area of this entire, the whole net signed area is probably just about 1. Certainly bigger than the average value of the function, because even if it's not 1, it's almost 1 or a little over 1. So we're going to go with D as being the greatest, because D is, well, I wouldn't even say greater than 1. I would say D is approximately 1.